welcome back to grade 2. How are you? I hope you're happy and safe. Today we have a new inquiry activity. So interesting. It's moving sand. You have seen how water and wind can break down rocks. Wind and water can carry these bits of rocks too. In this inquiry activity, we will observe how wind can change a mountain of sand. This is the purpose of this activity. To investigate this activity, we need safety goggles, a cup, sand, aluminum pen, and a straw. But before we begin, let's make a prediction. How will the sand mountain change the more you blow on it? What do you think, grade 2? For me, I think more sand will fall down the mountain. Let's carry out an investigation. First of all, wear safety goggles. Pack the sand in the cup. Then place the cup upside down on your pen. Slowly remove the cup from the sand. And then record your data. Draw the sand mountain in this space. After that, use the straw to blow gently on the side of the mountain. Blow gently 2 more times and observe the changes. And then draw a picture to show how the mountain and pen look now. Finally, blow gently until you see changes to the shape and size of the mountain. And now, of course, draw a picture of what the sand mountain looks like now. Now, use your data and findings to answer these questions. Question number 8, 9, 10, and 11. Page number 17. What happened to your sand when you blew on it, grade 2? Do you know that this is called erosion? Yes, it is. It's called erosion. Erosion happens when wind or water carries rocks and soil to a new place. Sometimes you see erosion taking place. Just like this one, it don't need long time. You can see it in this photo. This is an example of erosion. Moving brown water tells you erosion is happening here. The water is brown because it's carrying soil. So interesting. Now look at this photo and how can you tell erosion is happening? Circle the evidence that tells you, then explain how you know below. This is a big evidence. This water is traveling sand from this place to this place, a new place. The water is brown and flowing. It carries soil away from the land. Look at this photo. This is a river. A fast-flowing river can also cause erosion. The river carries away bits of rock over time. So, erosion sometimes takes a long time, just like this one. This fast-flowing river needs many years to cause a change. While erosion in this photo, you can see it at the moment. Now, what do you think, grade 2? Look at this photo again and think, how is this erosion different from the soil erosion shown here? Yes, it took many years for the river to carry away bits of the land on each side, this side and this side. The erosion on this photo happened quickly. Now let's summarize it to grade 2. Observe this photo and explain what has happened to this rock. Why is it shaped this way? What do you think, grade 2? Yes, weathering and erosion changed this rock. Now let's back to page number 5. Lesson 1 Launch. These friends are talking about changes to the shapes of landforms. Let's see which friend has the best idea. Carlos said, I think water can change the shape of land. Penny said, I think wind can change the shape of land. Max said, I think both water and wind can change the shape of land. What about you, grade 2? What do you think? Did you change your mind? Yes, the friend that has the best idea is Max. Both water and wind can change the shape of land. Water can wash away land, and wind can blow sand and dirt around. So please, grade 2, be sure to write the correct answer now, and when you finish, color this nice drawing. Let's solve these two questions. Question number 1, page number 27. Which sentence about weathering and erosion is false? A. Erosion can be caused by wind or water. What do you think, grade 2? Is this correct? Think about it. B. Weathering can be caused by wind or water. What about this one? C. Erosion is the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces. What do you think, grade 2? Is this correct? D. Sometimes erosion can be seen as it happens and sometimes it cannot. What do you think, grade 2? Which sentence about weathering and erosion is false? Did you say C? If so, you are totally right. Erosion is not the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces. Question number 2. Explain why the statement you circled in question number 1 is false. What do you think, grade 2? Yes, of course, this is because weathering is the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces. And erosion is when the bits of rock get carried away. So interesting. Now, please, grade 2, be sure to write the correct answer in your book, page number 27. It's the end of grade 2. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.